So apparently there's this new Venmo and Cash App scam that is going around, and you need to be aware of it so that you can protect yourself, okay? So anyway, how it basically works is like this. You'll have a scammer who uses a stolen card and sends money to a random individual. They'll send the money through Venmo for an example of $200, and then they'll message that person saying, I accidentally sent you $200. Can you please send the money back? Now, you being a great, nice individual will probably decide to actually send the money back doing a good deed. Some people decide, you know what, I'm just going to ignore this message. But a lot of people have been trying to take the nice route and actually send the $200 back. Now, when they send the $200 back, the person will remove the stolen card off of their account, put their actual card on there, and you'll be sending $200 directly to them. Then the victim who had their card initially stolen will report a chargeback because their card was basically stolen. And then that additional $200 will be taken from your account. So the one that's actually going to lose in all of this will be you, the person that decided to do the good deed, because you will send $200 back to the individual, plus the initial scam transaction that went to you will also get charged back to the card. So the person that initially had their card stolen, they will eventually get their money back from their provider. The scammer will run away with $200, and you will be down $400 for doing a good deed. I know there's tons of nice people out there that are wanting to do the right thing, but trust me, sometimes it's best to just ignore messages like that. And I know that sounds wrong because there may be someone out there that really does accidentally send people money with those platforms. But understand, you got to protect yourself during this time because there's been a lot of increase in scamming activities, okay? So be sure that you always protect yourself, stay safe, and try to avoid those scammers, okay?